Hey guys, Mr. Jackson. Just wanted to say hi. Wanted to reach out and let you know I'm thinking about you. Miss you, and wish we would have had a chance to end our school year a different way. But moving forward, just hoping that I can be here as a resource for you guys. I'm working on what I can to try to get some resources put together for you guys to stay active and work on your skills. So hopefully I'll be able to get that out to you pretty soon. And as you're continuing to work on things at home like math and reading, hopefully I can give you some suggestions on some ways you can take some breaks and be active outdoors or even in your home. So I've been staying busy, working on things like that, making sure my house is staying clean. This time of year, I really get spring fever, and I like to work outside. So I actually just put in a really big garden in my backyard, and I'm hoping I get a chance to start planting some things and working in my backyard a little bit more. I've been working on my physical fitness quite a bit, trying to get back into shape. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but Mr. Jackson's gotten a little bit heavier than he used to be. So trying to get back to where I used to be, so I can keep playing games with you guys. I actually just got done doing a 2 mile run with my dog. So if you can see her, she's laying down back here. She's pretty tired. She just went on a 2 mile run with me. And so we are getting back into the swing of things, hopefully like you will be doing here shortly. So wanted to give you guys a couple of pieces of advice that hopefully will help us out as we move forward. So first thing, stay active, guys. Work on your skills. YouTube is a great teacher. So if you want to come back stronger than you were before, get on YouTube, find some videos that can help you with your basketball dribbling, your soccer dribbling, your kicking, your throwing, your catching, different ways that you can move, different things that you can use for striking skills like baseballs, tennis balls, pickleball, hockey. There's lots of things you can do, and YouTube is an excellent teacher. Okay, work on your fitness levels. Take time to think about the things that you would like to get better at, whether it's your arm strength, how many pull-ups or push-ups you can do, whether it's your core strength, how many sit-ups you can do, or even if it's your cardiorespiratory endurance, how long you can run before you get too tired and you have to stop. Especially if you're a fifth grader, sixth grader getting ready to go into middle school or seventh grade and you have a chance to run cross country, this is a great opportunity for you to work on your cardiorespiratory endurance. And again, YouTube is a great teacher. There's probably lots of videos you can find to help you work on whatever it is that you want to find. Okay, last thing is, if you haven't already known it as a physical activity, chores, staying busy, doing stuff in the house and doing outside is a great physical activity. For those of you guys looking to maybe make a little bit of money, save up for some shoes or a video game, find a neighbor, find some family who wants their gardens cleaned out or their yards to get finished this time of year so they can start planning. You may be able to save up a little bit of money by doing some chores for some other people and stay active at the same time. So if you can see in the yellow there, it says Remind Messaging. GPA PE class is on the Remind app. You don't have to download the app. You can. All you need to do is send that message at GPA PE 20 to that number 81010. That'll automatically enroll you, and I can get you guys videos and resources without you having to worry about giving anybody your phone number or getting mass text messages from other people. So if that's something you're interested in, you can communicate with me one-on-one at GPA PE 20 to the number 81010. So hopefully I hear from you guys soon, and hopefully I can start getting some videos out to you so you can start working on some things. But stay safe, stay out of trouble, and stay active, and I will talk to you guys later.